closed curve. Small circle, then draw closed curve. The line should go little bit up and put one circle. The line should go little bit up and put one circle. See children, put a small tail. You have to add small tail. Small tail. See children, at the right side, draw, put one standing line. At the right side, put one standing line. On the top, sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. What is the letter? Sh. Sh से शलगम. श से शलगम. दूसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? You have to press this letter. That should come outside. Sh. 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 Children, first draw half U shape. Children, draw half U shape. Half U shape. The line should go up. That's the first line. Same line come down. Put one standing line. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. See children? U shape. In between, draw slanting line. In between, put one slanting line. Slanting line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. First letter, sh. Second letter, you have to press sh. Sh. श से षटकोण. श से षटकोण. Third letter, what is the third letter? तीसरा अक्षर कौन सा है बच्चों? तीसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? सा. सा. सा से सब्जी. सेब. स से sabji, vegetables. Draw closed curve. Children, I hope you all are listening. Look at the board, yes? Don't write Kana. Now look at the board only. Draw closed curve. Draw closed curve. Children, to press this closed curve, put one slanting line. Put one slanting line. Put one closed curve. To test this line, put one slanting line. In between, draw sleeping line. In between, to touch, put one sleeping line. Put one sleeping line. Here also the line should go up to touch the first line, same line to come down. Put one standing line. Standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sa, sh, sa. Last letter, fourth letter, चौथा अक्षर कौन सा है? हा. 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 हा से हाथी, elephant. हा से हाथी. First, draw small standing line. Draw small standing line. Put one kutti standing line. To test this line, draw opening curve. Draw opening curve. Small standing line. Then draw opening curve. Children, look at the board. Small standing line. Listen here. Small standing line. Then you have to test this line. Put one closed opening curve. Opening curve. Children, see here. Look at the board. The line should put a small tail. closed curve, you have to put one small tail. Small tail. Then to test this line, put one opening curve. To test this line, draw opening curve. Draw opening curve. See children, it will go little bit up. The line should go little bit up. The line should go little bit up. Ha. On the top, draw sleeping line. Ha se Hati. Elephant. Ha se Hati. First letter, what is the first letter? Sa. First letter, Sa. Second letter, you have to press this letter, Sh. Sh. Third letter, Sa. Sa. Fourth letter, Ha. Sa, Sh, Sa, Ha. Sh, Sh, Sa, Ha. Children, now take your rough note and pencil. Listen, look at the board and you write. See children, first letter, going to write one more time. Listen clear. Kindly take your pencil and rough note. Write the now. Start writing. Draw small standing line. See, small circle. Children, take your rough note. Now you can start writing. First, put a small circle. See, to test the first line. Put a small circle. Putty circle. I hope you all are writing yes. Yes, dear. First, put a small circle. And to test this line, go little bit up and draw close to curve. Draw close to curve. To test this close curve, go little bit up and put one circle. Put one circle. It will go little bit up and put one small circle. Small circle. See children, look at the board. Put a small tail out. Put a small tail. Put a small tail out. At the right side, draw, put one standing line. At the right side, draw standing line. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sa. Sh. Next letter, Sh. Sh. There should come outside. Sh. I hope you finished the first one. Yes. Yes, dear. First one you finished. Now we go to the second letter. Second letter. दूसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? You have to press this letter. Sh. Sh. Sh से षटकोण. षटकोण. Draw half U shape. Draw half U shape. Same line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. In between, draw slanting line. In between U shape, draw slanting line. Draw slanting line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sh, sha. Next letter, third letter, sa. Sa. Sa से sabji. Vegetables. Sa से sabji. Sa. I hope you finished the first and second. Yes, dear. Now we go to the third letter. तीसरा अक्षर sa. Draw close to curve. Draw closed curve. Children, draw closed curve. To test this closed curve, put one slanting line. To test this closed curve, put one slanting line. Slanting line. In between, draw sleeping line. To test this curve, put one sleeping line. Put one sleeping line. The same line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sa say sabji. Sh, sa. Next letter, fourth letter is ha. Ha. Ha say hati. Hati means elephant. Ha say hati. Ha. The children, small standing line. Small standing line. Dear children, draw small standing line. Putti standing line. Then you have to add, draw opening curve. Dear children, draw small standing line, then draw opening curve. Draw opening curve. Put a small tail. See, to test this line. Put a small tail. Small tail. To test this line, draw one more opening curve. Draw one more opening curve. Draw opening curve. See children, look at the board. It will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sa, ha. Kindly repeat after ma'am. Sh. You press this letter. Sh, sa, ha. Sh, sa, ha. Children, I hope you finish these two lines. Yes, I want you in your note. Kindly take your rough note and write 3 times and send it to your snap. One snap in your WhatsApp group. Okay, Kanna? I hope you finished. Yes. Okay, dear. Now we have to go to recap. Tomorrow Hindi exam is here. Rest. Now we go to recap the letters. Vyanjan. Vyanjan. Dear children, Vyanjan. Now we are go to recap the Vyanjan. Then in Vyanjan, how many classes are there? कितने classes है? How many classes in Vyanjan? Kindly text in your chat box. How many classes? Yes, 5. Yes, kindly mute yourself, Kana. Only text in your chat box. Yes, how many classes? 5 classes. The children, each classes, how many letters are there? In each classes, 5 classes is there, yes. Now, in each classes, how many letters are there? How many letters? Yes, very good. 5 letters. कितने अक्षर है? 5 अक्षर है. 5 अक्षर है. First class, what is the first class? K, Varg. K class. See children, in Ka class how many letters? 5 letters. First letter, what is the first letter? K. K. There should go inside. Second letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. K. 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 Third letter G. 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 Fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. K. 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 Last letter ing. 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 Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. K. See children, the second letter and the fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Okay, Kana? First letter K. K. G. K. Ing. Dear children, kindly repeat after ma'am. K. K. G. K. Ing. Now we go to see the examples. First letter, what is the first letter? K. K say Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Second picture, K say Kabutar. K say Kabutar. Pigeon. K say Kamal. Children, I want all my children to should repeat after ma'am. Okay? K say Kamal. K say Kabutar. K say Kamal. K say Kabutar. Second letter, दूसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? ख. You have to add little bit harsh sound. ख से खर. ख से खजूर. ख से second picture, ख से खरगोश. खरगोश. खरगोश means rabbit. Kajur means dates. See children, repeat after ma'am. K से kajur. ख से खरगोश. ख से खजूर. ख से खरगोश. Third letter, तीसरा अक्षर K. That should go inside. G से गमला. Flower pot. K से गमला. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए. Second picture, गधा. ख से गधा. Donkey. G से गमला. G से गधा. Children, I hope you all are repeating after ma'am. Yes? Yes, children. K से कमला. K से गधा. गधा. Fourth letter, you have to add little bit harsh sound. Kh से घर. घर means a house. Second picture देखिए. दूसरा picture, घड़ी. घड़ी means clock. ख से घर. ख से घड़ी. घ से घर. ख से घड़ी. Last letter ing. Ing. There is no word starting from this letter. Yes? Ing. What is the letter? Ing. Ing. In Ka varg how many letters? 5 letters. Yes dear. Now second class. What is the second class? Ch. We go to the second class. Ch varg. Children, in Cha varg how many letters are there? च वर्ग में कितने अक्षर है? 5 अक्षर है. Yes, Kana. How many letters? 5 letters. First letter ch. 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 Second letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Ch. 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 Third letter there should go inside. J. 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 Fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Ch. 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 Last letter nya. 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 Kindly repeat after ma'am. Kana. See Kana, this class also fourth letter, second letter and fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. First letter ch. छ, ज, छ, य. Once again, ch, ch, j, ch, य. Now we go to the see with the examples. Ch, first letter ch से चमगादड़. च से चमगादड़. चमगादड़ means bat. सेकेंड पिक्चर देखिए, दूसरा पिक्चर में है चम्मच. चम्मच. चम्मच बोलने से क्या है बच्चों? स्पून. स्पून. चम्मच. च से चमगादड़. च से चम्मच. I want all my children should repeat after ma'am. Okay का नाम? च से चमगादड़. च से चम्मच. च से चमगादड़. च से चम्मच. चम्मच. Next letter have to add little bit hard sound. छ. छ. छ से छत. छ से छत. See children, look at the picture. छत means roof. Second picture देखिए, छतरी. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए बच्चों, छतरी. छतरी means umbrella. छ से छत. Kindly repeat after ma'am. छ से छत. दूसरा पिक्चर, छ से छतरी. छ से छत. छ से छतरी. छतरी. Then third letter you have to add. The sound should go inside. j से जलेबी. See children, look at the first picture. जलेबी. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए, जहाज. ज से जहाज. जहाज means ship. ज से जलेबी. ज से जहाज. ज से जलेबी. ज से जलेबी. ज से जहाज. ज से जहाज. I hope you all are repeating. Yes dear. Kindly repeat after ma'am. Fourth letter you have to add little bit hard sound. First letter, what is the first picture? झंडा. छ. छ से झंडा. झंडा means flag. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए, झरना. झरना. waterfall. छ से झंडा. छ से झरना. छ से झंडा. छ से झरना. लास्ट लेटर क्या है? य. य. There is no word starting from this letter. Yes. य. य. Now first class finished, second class finished. What is the third class? Children, third class कौन सा है? Third वर्ग. ट वर्ग. What is the third class? ट वर्ग. ट वर्ग. Children, in ट वर्ग also how many letters? Yes, 5 letters. कितने अक्षर है ट वर्ग में? 5 अक्षर है. पहला अक्षर देखिए बच्चों, ट. ट. Second letter you have to add little bit hard sound. th. Th. The air should come outside. Third letter, d. D. Fourth letter, add little bit hard sound. Th. Th. Last letter, n. 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 See children, t. Th. T. Th. N. Kindly repeat after ma'am. T. Th. T. Th. N. Now we go to see the examples. First letter, T वर्ग. What is the first letter and who is the leader of the class? T. T से टमाटर. T से लाल लाल. What is this? लाल लाल टमाटर. Sridhar sir, my voice is audible. I'm audible.
Yeah, ma'am, audible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Can I check your network?
Okay, sir. T से टमाटर. T से टमाटर. Tomato means tomato. See children, second picture. T. T से टहनी. T से टहनी. टहनी means tree branch. Tree branch. See children, one more time. Repeat after ma'am. T. T से टमाटर. T से टहनी. टमाटर टहनी. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए. थ. थ यू हैव टू ऐड लिटिल बिट हार्ड साउंड. थ से ठप्पा. फर्स्ट पिक्चर. ट से टटेरा. दूसरा पिक्चर देखिए. ठ से ठप्पा. ठ से ठटेरा टिंकर. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? ठप्पा स्टैम्प. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. थर्ड लेटर क्या है बच्चों? ट. ट. फर्स्ट पिक्चर देखिए. लुक एट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. ठ से ढमरू. ठ से ढमरू. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? डलिया. डलिया. ढ से ढमरू. ढ से ढलिया. ढ से ढमरू. ढ से ढलिया. फोर्थ पिक्चर देखिए बच्चों. फोर्थ पिक्चर में क्या है? ठ. यू हैव टू ऐड लिटिल बिट हार्ड साउंड. ठ. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. लास्ट लेटर क्या है बच्चों? न. न. There is no word starting from this letter. Next class क्या है? The work. Children, in the work, how many letters are there? 5 letters. What is the first letter? T. Have to second letter add ha sound. Th. Third letter. T.
Ma'am, last 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Fourth letter you have to add little bit ha sound. Th. Last letter. N. N. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. The. Th. The. Th. N. The. Th. The. Th. N. N. See with the examples. T से तरबूजा. We go to the pa work. Children, in pa work, how many letters are there? Pa work, 5 letters. What is the first letter? Pa. F. Pa. Bha. Ma. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. Pa. F. Pa. Bha. Ma. Children, kindly practice in your home daily.